Welcome to Recipes channel, and we will learn to make vegetable stock. It's very nice. It can be used for different things, and what we are using is different peels and shavings from the vegetables: peas, cauliflower, potatoes, onion. And we do use onion skin because it gives a very nice brown color to our stock, and some garlic peel as well. And this stock is very nice with soups and all the other vegan and vegetarian dishes. First, what we will do is we will add some boiling water into the pot. 1 liter of boiling water and 2 liter of room temperature, and then we will add our spices, bay leaves, and then we will add a handful of whole cloves, and then we will add a whole black cardamom because that gives a smoky flavor. And then for aroma we will add few green cardamoms and couple of black peppercorns and cinnamon bark and whole cumin seed. The black cumin seed is better because that has more aroma and flavor in it. And then some fennel seeds as well, which give very nice flavor and taste. A few bits of star anise, and at the end we will add some nutmeg powder because that gives it a very nice aroma. And because of nutmeg, when it's coming to a boil, you will smell all the aroma and flavor. And sorry about that steam. I should have kept the camera a little bit away from the pot. And it has been boiling almost for half an hour now, and we will boil it almost for maybe 1.5 to 2 hours. First we'll bring it to a boil, and then we will let it simmer on medium to medium low flame. And now it has been boiling almost for hour and a half, and you can see the color. And all this color comes from the onion peel. And oh boy, if you can smell, it smells very aromatic. And I believe not just in my house, but even outside my house in the street, people may be able to smell the aroma of this soup. It's very appetizing. And after that we will let it simmer for maybe another half hour until the vegetables are soft. And because we want to extract as much oil and as much flavor from these vegetables. And these are just, I have been saving in the freezer for maybe a week or week and a half, and you can make a good pot of vegetable stock from it. And then you switch the flame off, and we will leave it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes so it can cool down and vegetables can release the full flavor. And look at that, it looks very colorful and very aromatic. And when you will make it, you will be able to smell, you will be able to and even if you taste it, even just like this, I haven't added any salt and pepper, but you will feel the taste. And we'll use a strainer to get maximum juice and oils from these vegetable skins. We'll squeeze it with the spatula a little bit. And once we have removed all of it, you will see the color. Look at that. There is no oil has been added, but you can see a little, maybe very thin layer of oil on the top. That is what comes from the garlic peel and from onion skin. It's very beautiful. And you want to use the strainer because you don't want any of the whole spices go into the stock, because when you make something else, means if you cook rice in it, they're very nice. Or if you make vegetable soup or vegan soup, you don't want those small bits into your plate, because that can ruin the experience. But look at that, and the aroma, oh boy, it's so aromatic, so flavorful, and it gives you very hearty kind of feeling, very hearty feeling. And you will be able to see the color. Look at the color.